Ladies and gentlemen, would you please rise to honor the host country with the singing of the national anthem of the United States of America by Joe Vanderbilt, a Colorado Springs resident and local music teacher.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets ran the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Sure. Mister, sir, will you please stand ahead a little bit? So I can...
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure to introduce the officials representing the International State Union for this event. Please welcome the ISU representative, David Dorr. The referee, Karen Wawachuk. The assistant referee, Ice Massimo Orlandini.